Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of woodcraft furniture inspiration specifically for beginners. If you've ever wanted to create your own beautiful furniture pieces but didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore simple yet stunning ideas that you can easily replicate at home. From cozy wooden stools to stylish shelves, we'll provide you with the tips and techniques to get started on journey. In this video, we'll explore simple yet stunning ideas that you can easily replicate at home. From cozy wooden stools to stylish shelves, we'll provide you with the tips and techniques to get started on your woodworking journey. So, grab your tools, and let's get inspired to create some amazing wood furniture together. DIY furniture project ideas. Man, building a chair. If you're just starting out in woodworking, you're probably looking for easy DIY furniture ideas. You don't want an exhausting list of steps or supplies. You're just ready to see your own furniture take shape. We feel you. There's nothing like the rush of excitement that comes with making your very own table or chair, not to mention the relief of avoiding an expensive trip to the furniture store. So, here's our roundup of projects that involve only a couple steps and basic woodworking supplies. They're perfect for beginners, but still stunning and versatile. We've organized them into the following categories: living room, kitchen, dining room. Bedroom, outdoor, living room. A living room with a wooden coffee table. We can scarcely think of a better place for handmade furniture than the living room. After all, the furniture is what makes it welcoming and comfortable. The wooden pieces typical in a living room are often fairly simple, so they make for great beginner projects. Coffee table. Making a coffee table is just a matter of making a tabletop and attaching it to some table legs. But it's far from boring. You can achieve any style you want. Just pick the wood type, select the legs, and add any stylistic details you want. Start by checking out this tutorial by Anna White. Side table or end table. These tiny tables are perfect for small spaces and can easily fit in beside a couch or entryway. Some can be more complicated than others, but this modern side table tutorial breaks it down into a couple of easy steps. Console table. This basic stand can function as a TV stand or entertainment center table. Of course, you can add as many details as you like, but try this sleek and simple design. Ottoman. This piece of furniture has become a popular home decor piece in the last couple of years. And although it might test some of your skills with fabric tufting and arrangement, it's still beginner-friendly and makes for a chic centerpiece. Just look at this design by this old house, shoe rack. What better way to keep your shoes organized than with a shoe rack? Make your own stylish wood shoe rack with this guide by Woodshop Diaries. The best news? It only takes one 2x10 board to make it. Kitchen wooden stools at a kitchen island with all of its appliances and gadgets. The kitchen may very well be the most expensive room in the house. So why pay an arm and a leg for yet another piece of furniture or home decor when you can make it yourself? Dish rack. This project is short and sweet. It only requires a couple tools, pieces of wood, and dowel rods. Check out this 3-minute tutorial by the Marathon. Spice rack. Need to declutter your spice cabinet? We recommend using a nifty spice rack. Not only will it help you organize your spices, but it'll also be quick and inexpensive to make. Just follow this tutorial by Project Build Stuff. Bar stool. A bar stool is an easy build, just a seat with some long legs. This farmhouse counter stools guide will show you how to make one in no time. Kitchen cart. You can use this nifty bar cart by Woodshop Diaries to move around any essentials in your kitchen area. It's good for holding pots or pans, featuring your kitchen decor, or serving food to your guests. Dining room. A dining room with a wooden table and chairs. The centerpiece of a dining room is the table, determining how the rest of the room will look. Why not personalize your table by making it from scratch? Add some accessories while you're at it. Table. You can make a seriously stunning dining table in just a couple steps with this guide by April Wilkerson. While the technique for this project isn't too advanced, you can enhance it with an elegant wood color and finish chair. Make some homemade dining room chairs with this straightforward coat rack. Accordion coat racks are coming back in style, but with their surge. Wood furniture together. Thank you for joining me today in this journey of woodcraft furniture inspiration. I hope you feel motivated to start your own projects and bring your creative ideas to life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly woodworking tutorials. I'd love to hear about your own furniture creations, so share your stories and projects in the comments below. Remember, every great craftsman started as a beginner. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to experiment. Until next time, happy crafting.